The nation's central bank stand pat on its key rate once more. Economic growth was also held steady at 3%. Hyesung has more from the BOK's first meeting on monetary policy since its governor was reappointed last month.
The Bank of Korea kept its growth forecast for the local economy for 2018 at 3%, the same as its previous projection made in January. But the bank lowered its inflation rate projection by 0.1%.
We slightly lowered the inflation rate projection to 1.6% for this year. First quarter consumer price inflation came in lower than expected, in the low 1% range. This was mainly due to a drop in livestock prices and the slower pace of increase in global oil prices.
With first quarter inflation rate at 1.3% below the bank's target of 2%, the BOK unanimously decided to keep its key rate unchanged at 1.5% Thursday. This decision follows two freezes in January and February after the bank's first rate hike in over 6 years in November. The Korean won has strengthened against the U.S. dollar, hitting a more than a 3-year high against the U.S. dollar last week, which further weakened inflationary pressure by suppressing import prices. Domestically, household debt concerns and the high unemployment rate also led the bank to hold its key rate.
Despite concerns that the US-Korea interest rate reverse following the Fed's rate hike in March could lead to capital outflow, Korea actually saw its foreign investment in local securities go up over the last 1-month period. A 1% rate difference is unlikely to lead to a huge capital outflow, given Korea's economic fundamentals and the $1 exchange rate. With a low inflation rate and high unemployment right now, the central bank is not expected to raise rates until the latter half of this year.
Externally, the governor said the global economy is continuing its robust growth, but said concerns about the U.S.-China trade spat have led to recent volatility in global financial markets, and that major advanced countries' pace of monetary policy normalization adds uncertainty. The bank said it will closely monitor the country's inflation rate, trade environment, and geopolitical risks when setting its monetary policies. Hyesung, Arirang News.